standing order.
Correct.
And the procedure and the practice of this House.
Correct.
You cannot allege facts without proving them, especially when you're alleging them against a person who is not before this House. So you either substantiate or withdraw that.
Madam Speaker, I don't know, because he has mixed me. There was an aspect of border riders, and then DCI. I didn't get him. But what I can put in perspective.
He was specific on the DCI.
No, what I was saying, I was using an example because it is a debate that young people, and you know, Madam Speaker, we can criticize the governor because it's a position. Even the presidency, even the executive, even parliament. That's why we criticize parliament as is, even the judiciary.
Honorable
We are not
Senator,
singling out an individual.
Honorable Senator, we know for a fact the governor of Nandi is one person.
Correct.
So withdraw that statement.
No, I
unless
will
you
not
have
withdraw. I will
substantiate.
bring to substantiate if you give me time.
You will substantiate?
Yes, if you give me time.
Okay, bring that evidence tomorrow by 2:30.
Correct. Madam Speaker, finally, on the obligations of the county government, in I have a minute, I think I'm happy access to free primary education, inclusion of persons with disability in the county public service board. I think the affirmative aspect of procurement. Because if you want these people, Madam Speaker, to work, empower them. And the only way to empower them is giving them the finances. Madam Speaker, with those very, very many remarks, I want to thank Senator Crystal Lasige for this wonderful bill. I know the PWDs in this republic